असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now exercise 14.2 problem number 3. Look at the question. The following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of Gummadala village. Find the model monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. Here we have to find the model monthly expenditure as well as mean monthly expenditure. Okay. So what is the given information? Expenditure in rupees and number of families. So look at the given data once. 1000 to 1500 rupees 24 families, 1500 to 2000 rupees 40 families, 2000 to 2500 33 families, 2500 to 3000 28 families, 3000 to 3500 30 families, 3500 to 4000 rupees 22 families, 4000 to 4500 16 families, 4500 to 5000 rupees 7 families. So with this data we have to find mean and mode. Okay, and given here the class intervals are very large. Okay, that is why I am going to use here step deviation to find the mean. Okay, yes, look at here. This is the given data. These are expenditures in rupees and these are number of families, nothing but frequencies. Okay, right. So with this given data we have to find mean and mode. Okay, first of all I am finding the mode here. Okay, what is the mode formula? Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H is the given mode formula. Okay, right. So here what we do first, we have to choose the model class first. So how we choose the model class? By taking the highest frequency class interval. Okay, what is the highest frequency here? So 40 is the highest frequency, so the 40 families lies here. So by this the highest frequency class interval is the 1500 to 2000. So this is our model class. Okay, model class 1500 to 2000. Okay, right. What is the lower limit? 1500. The model class lower limit is called our L value. Now L is equals to 1500. Okay. Now what is the H value? The class size of the model class. What is the class size here? So what is the difference between this 2000 and 1500? It is 500. Okay. So H is 500. Now what is the remaining? F1, F0, F2. So what is the highest frequency here? It is 40. So the highest frequency value is called F1. The preceding term is the F0 and the succeeding term means after that it is F2. These are the values. Now we have to substitute these values in the given formula. Okay, right. So substitute here. So F1 my L plus 1500 plus F1. So what is the F1 value? 40 minus F0, nothing but 24 by 2F1. 2 into 40 minus F0. 24 minus F2, 33 into H. Okay, right. Now we have to simplify this. So sometime I am arranging this. I will do the simplification here. Right. So 1500 plus 40 minus 24. So write down 1500 as it is plus 40 minus 24. So what is the 40 minus 24? 16 by 80 minus, this is 57. Is it 57? Yes, it is 57 into 500. Okay. So 1500 plus 16 by, it is 23 into 500. Okay. Now 1500 plus 16 5 30 5 6 80. 8000 by 23. Now we have to perform the division between 8000 and 23. So take the division here. 8000. So 23 into 1000. No, 23 into 100. 2300. 23 into 100. 2300. Again 2300. Again 2300. 0 0 9 6900. So next 23 into 35. Sorry, 3350s. 0 0 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 11, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 0 5 0 1 8 0 5 0. So it is larger. Now take the, so 23 350 is a 8050. Is it 8050? So we check once again. 350, sorry, 23 into 350. 0 0. Next 15, 1 carry. 5 2s are 10, 11. Next 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 0 5. So 8050, it is larger. So 23 350 is a 8050. Now what we choose here? We may choose 23 348. 8 3s are 24, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18. Next 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 to the 8, 9. Next 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 4 10, 1 carry, 10 10 22. 8004. 8004 is the larger than 8000. Okay. Now we go for 23. So we got 23 8s, sorry, 23 348 8004. Now minus 23 means 1, 10 minus 2, 9 minus 2. Okay. Sorry, 10 minus 2 8, 9, 7 9 8 1. So 23 347 is 7 9 8 1. Okay. 7 9 8 1. Subtraction. 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 9 0. Okay. 19 is the remaining. So 19 is smaller than 23. Take a point here and 0 here. 190. Now 23 into 10s to 30. 23 into 8s to 30. It is also okay. 23 8s. We shall check. 24. 8 to the 6. 8 to the 16. 18. 184. So 23 8s are 184. So 1 here. 10 minus 4 6 0. 6 is the remaining. Take 0 again. Now what becomes? 23 2s are 46. Okay. 2s are 46. Remaining 14. Take 0 again. So 140. So 23 into 6. 2 3s are sorry 3 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 6 2s are 12, 13, 138. 2 is the remaining, enough for this. So what is the remaining here? What is the question now? 1500 plus 347.826. Okay. Now what we do? Sum of this 18 47.826. Okay, nothing but 1847 point, we can write 83. So rounding, I am rounding of the decimals here. So this is the now mode expenditure. Mode expenditure is rupees 1847.83 rupees. Okay. Now this is about mode. Okay. So write down this first, then after this one. Okay. That all these things are rough up. So now what we got? Mode expenditure is 1847 rupees 83 paisa. Okay. This is the mode expenditure. Now we have to find the mean by using step deviation method. Okay. Right. So I am going to erase this all. Right, take the box again. This box is for mean actually. Right. So write it carefully. Now write all these things. No need for this model class now. So what is the formula for step deviation method? Step deviation method, A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Okay, this is the formula for mean in step deviation method. Okay, right. So we have to find the values first. So we have to choose first A. So before that we have to find the class marks. Okay, right. This is very important concept one here. So look it carefully. So class marks. How we find the class marks? Class marks xi is equals to lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 1000 plus 1500 by 2, it means 2500 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fives are 0. So 1250 is the class mark for the first one. 1250. So I have done average of this. It means lower limit plus upper limit by 2. We get 1250. Next 1500 plus second one. 1500 plus 2000 by 2. What becomes 3500 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 1 here. 2 sevens are 1 here. 5 0. 1750. Okay. This is the class mark for second class interval. Okay. Right. Next. There is no place. That is why I am doing here. Next. 2000 plus 2500. Nothing but 4500 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 twos are 2 fives are 0. This is 2250 is the class mark of third class interval. Next 2500 to 3000, nothing but 5500. 5500 by 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 sevens are 50. 2750 is the class mark for fourth class interval. 2750. Next 3000 plus 500 by 2. So nothing but 6500 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 twos are 1 carry 50. 3250 is the class mark. Next, coming to this 3500 plus 4000 by 2. 7500 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are 6. 1 carry 2 sevens are 1 here 2 fives are 0. 3750. Okay. Now class mark for this 3750. Next coming to this one 4000 plus 4500. It is 8500 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 fours are next 2 twos are 1 carry 50. So 4250 is the class mark for this class interval. Next 4500 to 5000 nothing but 9500. So 9500 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. 1 carry 2 sevens are again 1 carry 5 are 0. So 4750. Okay, right. So look at one thing here. If the class size is same for all the class intervals, then we can add the class size to every class mark. We get the class marks here. Okay. Suppose 1250 is there. If you add 500, nothing but class size here. Nothing but h. H equals to 500 here. Okay. So if you add this h value for this 1250, we get 1750. If we add again 500, we get 2250. So if we do like that, we get the every class mark. Okay, by adding the 500. Okay, right. When it is possible, if all the class intervals are in the same difference. Okay, it means class size is same for all the class intervals. Then only it is possible. Now we shall see for DI. DI is nothing but deviation. What is the formula? Xi minus A. Right? So what is the A value here? So look at here. This 40 is the highest frequency. The highest frequency class mark is our required A. A is nothing but assumed mean. Okay. How we choose that? Taking the highest frequency class mark is our A. Right. Now what we do? So Xi minus A we have to do here. Okay. So what is the Xi value? 1250. So 1250 minus A value 1750. So what is the value now? Minus 500. Okay. Is it 500? Yes. So minus 500 is it clear? Wait for time. 1250 it is. Yes. Minus 500 is the value. Next, 1750 minus 1750. Okay. Now what we got? It is 0. Next, 2250 minus 1750. It is 500. 2750 minus 1750. It is 1000. Next, 3250 minus 1750 nothing but 1500. So 3750 minus 1750 is nothing but 2000. And 4250 minus 1750 2500, it is 3000. These are the deviations. How we got? Take the subtraction between these Xi values and A. Okay, right. Now we have to find Ui values. So Ui is nothing but Di by H. It means these values by H value. So H UI DI values minus 500 by 500. So minus 500 by 500 gets cancelled, minus 1. Minus 1 is the UI, and 0 by 500 is 0. Next 500 by 500 1, 1000 by 500 2, 1500 by 500 3, 2000 by 500 is 4, 2500 by 500 it is 5, 3000 by, so we get here 3000 by 500. This zeros cancel, 5 1 5 6 it is 6. Okay, so minus 500 by 500 cancellation, minus 1, 0 by 500 nothing but 0, 500 by 500 1, 1000 by 500 2, 1500 by 500 3, 2000 by 500, 500 ones up, 500 fours up. We got 4 5 6. Okay, right. Now we have to find the FI into UI. Okay, right. 24 into minus 1 minus 24. Next 40 into 0. FI here I am finding here. 24 into minus 1 minus 24. 40 into 0 0. Next 33 into 1 33. Next 28 into 2. So what is the value? 50 56. 56. 30 into 3 it is 90. Next 22 into 4 44 44 88. It is 88. 16 5s are 80. Next 7 into 6 42. Okay, now we have to find the sum of all these FIUI values. We have to add all these things. Okay, as well as we have to add all these. So already we know that the sum is 200 because given 200 families here. Okay, sigma FI is 200 here. Okay, right. Coming to this, sum of all things 10. We have to subtract this. 10 16 plus 3 19 1 carry, so 8 8 16 20 21 30 38 389 minus 24, so 5 6 3 365 is the sigma FIUI value. We got sigma FIUI is equals to 365. Let me check once again. 3 6 9 9 10 19 8 9 10 19. Okay, 9 here carry 1 16 20 21 30 38 389 minus 24 5 6 3 8. Okay, sigma FIUI we got 365. Now substitute the value here. So now I am substituting the values. A value is nothing but 1750 plus sigma FIUI 365 by sigma FI is 200 into 500. Okay, right. These two zeros cancel. These two zeros cancel. Next 2 ones are 2.5s. Okay, right. Now 1750 plus 365 into 2.5. Now it means we have to multiply the 365 into 2.5. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30 32, 2 here 3 carry, 5 3s are 18 19 20 21. Next 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12 13, 3 here 1 carry, 2 3s are 6 7. So 5 2 4 9. So point 942.5. So check once again. 5 5 is 25. 2 carry. 5 6 is 30. 32 here. 3 carry. 5 3 is 15. 3 18. 18 is. Shall we check? Shall we do once again? Only confusion. 365 into 2.5. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30. 32. 2 here. 3 here. 5 3 is 15. 18. 18 25 is okay. Next 2 5 is 10. 1 here. 2 6 is 12. 13. 3 1 carry. 2 3 6 7. So 5 2. It is 11. 1 here. So 9. 9125. It is 9125 is. So point after one decimal 9125. So what is the summation of 1750 plus 912.5? 0.5 as it is 2 6 16 1. So 2 as it is 6 16 6 here 1 carry 2 2662.5 rupees. Now what is the mean? So mean is 2662.5 rupees. Okay, this is the mean expenditure of 40 families. Okay, right. This is about third problem.